ever had your magic ring slip open, use a double magic ring. It's just as easy, but way more secure. Lay the yarn in your palm and wrap it twice around your middle and ring finger. Make sure the yarn crosses in the front. Pinch it with your thumb. Then turn your hand around, lift your pinky and place the yarn there to hold it. Turn your hand back around and slide the 2 loops off your fingers. And keep pinching that cross to hold everything in place. Insert your hook under both loops. Now we'll make a slip stitch. Just grab the yarn and pull it through both loops. If you need more working yarn, just lift your finger a little to give yourself some slack. Next, make a chain 1 by yarning over and pulling through the loop. And that's the double magic ring, also called a magic circle. From here, you can crochet right into the ring. I'm just going to make single crochet stitches, but you can use whichever stitch and any number of stitches your pattern calls for. A common starting number is 6 stitches, which is what I use in most of my amigurumi patterns. Please drop a comment if you have any questions. Now let's close the ring. You have 2 strands of yarn. It doesn't matter which strand you start pulling, and if it tightens and then it stops, that's fine. Just pull the other strand instead, and that will close the rest of the hole. And then finally, just pull the loose yarn end to close the ring completely. To finish the round, you can make an invisible join with a slip stitch. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on slip stitches, or if you're curious about other ways to make a magic ring, especially with plush yarn, just check out the beginners playlist on my channel. I'll link it above and in the description below. And that's the double magic ring. I hope this tutorial helps make your crochet projects easier and even more secure.